Then we got the boy Josh. But the first thing he seen when we walked in, he saw the Kool-Aid.
Yes, sir, ski.
They got that Kool-Aid. Then we got the boy Daniel. And already munching.
Bro, the way you say, ooh, Kool-Aid, I was like, oh, okay.
This is what I got. I got the Jamaican Red. I don't know what he got, but he got something.
No, I got that Thai stick, you know, the teriyaki, pineapple, pickle, whole lot of good stuff.
Is that a Super? I'll give it a second.
He do got the carbon fiber on the mirror.
That's not, no, he got the carbon fiber on the wing too. Yeah.
Well, my camera died, and also didn't record the first video where, you know, I was explaining what I was gonna do to the headlights because they were yellow, and also didn't take a picture before. Like the whole front end, I did take it, you know, one of each, so I would just, you know, post it, I guess, you know, front now, before and later. But yeah, so what I did, I cleaned cleared out the yellow headlights, made them look like new, kinda. I might still get new headlights, not sure, after, you know, what I just did. I'll probably get some after, you know, custom aftermarket headlights, not sure. But what I did, I bought some Ultimate Compound by, I don't know how to say that, I'm not trying to, you know, fucking scuff. I also got some Plastic X for, you know, polish. I used these two with also some sandpaper. I used the 600 and then the 1500 sandpaper, wet sandpaper by 3M, and also with the 3000 sandpaper. I also bought a, whatever you call this thing, with the microfiber one, foam, and sponge, I guess you could say, wool. But yeah, I did use that to, you know, buff and white out the yellow headlights, and actually came out really good. I'm surprised actually worked. And yeah, let me show you guys. So before these were yellow, you know, I'll post up, you know, you'll see the before and after, and they're actually sparkly white. This one, you know, this was the worst one. It was a little bit more yellow, but it did clear out a bunch. Kind of looks kind of still foggy, but I could always, you know, redo it. But this one did came out good because it wasn't as yellow, and actually, you know, it does look so good. It's shiny too. I didn't do the gloss finish because I heard it messes up the headlights after time, and I was gonna do a film, but I couldn't find the film for the UV protection, so I will order it online and, you know, hopefully put it on soon. And if it does yellow out, I could just repeat the process, white it out a little bit more for both of them, and yeah, redo it. But yeah, I went to downtown with the boys not too long ago, and I just had it on my computer sitting, so I guess I'll put those clips here, and after I'm done with this, so enjoy that. I'll see you guys later. Peace out.